Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings and welcome to DIY Woodworking TV. Mommy needs to hang her ever-growing collection of coats and clothes. It's just growing. The collection is growing. She has many spaces, but she's running out of spaces, so she needs a good hanger to hang the clothes. So that order is going to be very, very easy, and it's a well-paid order. Remember that. Now for mommy's hanger, it's going to be pretty easy to do. So let's find some scrap wood pieces, because we don't want to do new wood. We have a lot of used wood pieces, scrap wood, leftover wood from different projects, and we can do very good with that leftover wood. So let's go find some leftover woods.